Tighten tank bolts gently until snug and test for steady tank operation without over-tightening. Start by inspecting the rubber washers and replace them if they are flat, cracked, or hardened, because a good seal depends on intact, correctly sized washers. Position the tank on the bowl evenly and hand thread bolts through the tank so the washers sit squarely against the tank interior. Cross-threading makes uneven pressure that causes leaks. Use 2 adjustable wrenches or a nut driver to alternate small turns on each bolt, switching sides until both feel snug and the tank no longer rocks. Never use long cheater bars or excessive leverage. If bolts have metal washers under the nuts, use them sparingly and never compress the rubber washer to a paper-thin layer because that deforms the gasket and invites leaks. After tightening hand tight and then minimal turns with tools, fill the tank and watch the joint for several minutes while pressing gently on the tank top to reveal any movement or seepage. If you see a slow drip, slightly loosen the bolts, reseat the washers, and retighten evenly. If the leak persists, replace the tank to bowl gasket as a next step. A common mistake is over-tightening to stop a drip, which crushes the rubber washer and deforms the tank flange, causing a worse leak. Fix it by loosening, replacing the washer if needed, and retightening evenly by hand with small tool turns. Another frequent problem is uneven tightening that leaves one side higher and allows rocking, which abrades the gasket. Correct that by alternating short turns on each bolt until the tank sits flat and does not move when pressed. People also skip inspecting hardware and reuse corroded or mismatched bolts and washers, which can fail under minimal load. Replace them with correct length and grade stainless or zinc-plated bolts and new rubber washers sized for your tank. On BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby project leads. We also host a discussion community where we and other users exchange tips and troubleshooting steps for leak prevention and tightening tank bolts.